This one, Soarin. We are going to ride Soarin, California. I don't know what it is. I will show you. Hopefully I can hold the camera. Oh my goodness. Give me your face. We are going to ride Soarin, California. I don't know what it is. I will show you. Hopefully I can hold the camera. No.
5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
ABC. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Of course, B. How many here?
Hi, 강아지. 무무무. 우리 좀 무무. 헐, here, 언니.
She can't speak. They can't speak.
Your seatbelts inserting them into the buckle on your right. The smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat. Just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling. Nice work, pal. Nice work, pal. Nice work. Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your little aviators have fear of flying or heights, you might want to wait for your party to arrive. Okay, let's review. Seat, seatbelt, carrying them, safe restraint, fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside at all times. Yeah. Have a nice one.
Alright friends, real quick for anyone that missed Patrick's spiel. When entering into the theater and sitting down, seatbelts are going to go from left to right and left to right only.
Right. No.
Personal belongings will go in the basket underneath your seat. Smaller aviators, you guys are acting that way. Smaller aviators should not measure up to the red arrows on the back of the seat. Will need to put their seatbelt through the center strap before buckling. We're going to go ahead and start boarding with row 3, followed by 2, then 1. Row 3, follow me.
Let's do. Uh-huh. Oh my goodness. Give me your face. Australia. Right? Australia. Yeah. Oh shit.
Very good transition.
I love it.
My feet are not steady. I smell grass. This smell that too.
Naalala pa?
Stop disrespecting the Muslim. You're disrespecting the Muslim.
What country is that?
India.
India, are you sure?
I think.
I think so too.
Yeah, it does look like India. That's the
Good job. Awesome. I want to go to this beach. No people. I love it. Wow. Ooh.
Imagine we do a 360.
On behalf of our entire flight crew, thanks for soaring with us.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.
Bye bye.